number 4, how many quarts equals 8 cups? So exactly kind of the same thing as our question before. So I'm going to use the exact same chart so I don't have to redraw it. So how many quarts equals 8 cups? So take a moment to think about this question, and we're going to solve it together. So how many quarts equals 8 cups? And I'm going to go back to our conversion chart here to kind of help you out here. How many quarts equals 8 cups? So we would have to kind of go from cups to pints first, and then from pints to quarts. Right? Remember, when we're going up, we want to divide, right? So that's how we're going to convert this first. So how many quarts equals 8 cups? Remember, we're still in the imperial system. We're still working with these measurements as well. So take a moment to think about this, and then we will reconvene and talk about the answer here. So let's take a moment to answer this problem here. We have 1 pint equals 8. We have how many quarts equals 8 cups, right? So let's start with this measurement cups here. Let me see if I can, yeah, let me do that. So I have 8 cups here. So in 1 pint, I have 2 cups, right? Which means I have to convert my cups into pints, right? So I'm going to have to say 1 pint would equal 2 cups, right? There's 1 pint. There's 2 cups per pint, right? You can say it like that as well. So we are multiplying by half, or you say divide by 2. Remember, as I'm going up the measurement here, I'm dividing by 2, right? And again, I'm using this concept of dimensional analysis, so I can make sure my my units cross out here. And then I have to convert to quarts, right? So, but how many quarts are in a pint? As you can see, not sure how many pints are in a quart. I have 1 quart equals 2 pints, right? Which means I'm going to have to put 1 quart. There's 2 pints in a quart, right? 2 pints in a quart equals. And now you can see that my units cancel out, right? I have cups here cancels out, cups cancel out, cups cancels out, pints cancel out, and pints cancel out, right? So all I'm left with here is quarts at the top, which is what I want, right? That's my unit. That's my unit of interest here, right? Quarts. So let's do the math here. It says this is 8 times 2, or 8 times half here is 4. 4 times another half would equal to 2, right? So I have 2 quarts is my answer here, which means I can write a statement that says 2 quarts, or is it right? Therefore, 2 quarts equals, or I'm gonna write equals 8 cups, and this here is my answer, right? And I can use a box and boxes in, box, and therefore 2 quarts equals 8 cups, and here is my answer. Again, here this concept is the concept of dimensional analysis. So I'm making sure my units here are canceled out, and I get the correct unit in my answer. Dimensional analysis. Okay, so let's see here. They did the chart here, like I said before, right? They did kind of this chart here, but they did it in a table more so, and then they multiply as you go down, divide as you go up. That's good. And then what they did was they did kind of the same thing. So 1 cup equals 1/4 of a quart. So 8 cups would mean 8 times 1 quart, right? So you can say you did it this step first. So half times half is a quarter, and then 1 quarter times 8 here equals 2. So therefore, there are 2 quarts equals 8 cups. So this here is the correct answer and great solution. Correct answer and analysis. Sorry, not solution. Correct solution and analysis. Solution here is correct.